Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to learn how to make x the subject of the formula in a given question like this. Now we are going to make x the subject of the formula here, and let's write solution. When making s the subject of the formula, you see the s is inside the square root, therefore we have b is equals to k all over the square root of t minus s. How can we do? Then we are going to square both sides. Let's square both sides. If we square both sides, we can take the square both sides, then we have k all over square root of t minus s. Then look at this square. The square will cancel the square roots, and this k may contain square also. Then we can divide the both. We have b square is equals to k square, then all over we have t minus s. Now we are going to do cross multiply because we assume this is over 1. Then we can do cross multiply by saying we have b square multiplied by t minus s is equals to k square, because this k square can only multiply 1 here. Then the next thing to do, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of b here. Let's divide both sides by b, a by b, b square, a by b square, so that this b square cancel out the b square, remain only t minus s. This is equals to k square all over b square. Then in the next step, we are going to take t to the right hand side, and there is a logical way for you to take t. And if you look at the t here is positive. If you take it in this side, it will be negative, and therefore and the s is negative also. Then we can say here is equals to s is equals to k square all over b square minus t. That is, now we make s the subject of the formula. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.